G'day guys. In this topic we're going to be talking about the concepts of aggregate supply and aggregate demand, which will be very useful in analyzing the business cycle. So we'll start off with some definitions. Quantity of real GDP supplied is the market value of all the final goods and services that firms plan to produce. Now if we take that equation we've got, Y equals consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports. We know that both sides of this equation give us GDP and that this holds true when we have equilibrium. Real GDP supplied is basically the left-hand side of this equation. Firms produce goods, and in production they need to pay for the factors of production, and those payments for the factors of production are the income received by households. So we'll see later that this idea of equilibrium GDP we've already brought up can be expressed also in terms of aggregate supply and aggregate demand. But for now, let's just keep focusing on what aggregate supply is. So it's the relationship between real GDP supplied and the price level. Now we can further break this down into short-run aggregate supply and long-run aggregate supply. Now recall that we've looked